Hello and welcome to From the Roots Up, where we're building our homestead from the roots up. Today we're going to be planting strawberries!
We are planting our permanent strawberry patch here, and hopefully if we do it right, strawberries are perennials, so they will come back every year and they will send out shoots and grow more strawberry plants. If we do it right, we will have an endless supply of strawberries for many years to come. So we have 18 Ozark Beauty plants to put in the ground.
The Ozark Beauties are everbearing. They're really hardy and hard to kill. It's a good basic strawberry for us. So this is the Berry Basket Pink Strawberry. It caught my attention because it's not a white strawberry, it's a pink flower. So it is a everbearing fruit, but it's smaller than usual ones. So if you're looking for a strawberry for like an inside pot, this would be a great one. There's 4 plants in here and we're going to be putting it in the garden.
And last but not least, we have my favorites, or at least the ones I'm most excited about, the White Carolina strawberries. These got my attention mostly because they are white strawberries. I love weird colored fruit and vegetables. They just look so fun. These are a cross between 2 kinds of strawberries, and so they have, sometimes they're white to light pink, and they are nicknamed pine berries because they are said to taste a little bit like pineapples. So I'm really excited to try these. It may take longer to germinate, but hopefully by the end of the season, we will have a good harvest. So there are 2 main kinds of strawberries. There are June-bearing and everbearing. The difference is June-bearing strawberries will, right at the end of the spring, have a whole bunch of fruit for a couple of weeks, and then they'll just stop until next year. The everbearing is what we chose because though they don't bear as much fruit at once, they're always bearing fruit until the first frost. So this will give us a continual harvest of strawberries for the whole growing season.
The first thing we need to do before we start planting is move the mulch out of the way since we have a deep mulch garden. This lets us expose the dirt so we can plant in it.
We're going to plant these strawberries about 2 inches deep in the ground. They really don't like to be planted very deep at all.
Once we get the strawberries in the ground, we can push some mulch around the strawberry plants.
So as the strawberries grow, they are going to produce runners. You can let the runners grow, or you can just give them to a friend, or you can plant them in a different spot and make more strawberries somewhere else.
Throughout the winter, if there's a hard freeze, you can cover the strawberries with hay to insulate them and protect them from the cold and frost.
Done!
Thank you for joining us as we plant our strawberries. Make sure to like and hit that subscribe button.